When an invoice approval stalls because the file lives on an office server or a field manager cannot access job notes from a client site, cloud decisions stop being IT projects. They start affecting cash flow, response time, and customer trust. Willis Cantey, CEO at Cantey Tech Consulting, puts it simply: a good cloud plan should make the next approval, login, restore, and budget conversation easier to manage. Cloud computing matters because it touches daily work. It can help managers approve purchase orders faster, keep customer files in one place, reduce duplicate versions, support secure work from home or the road, and simplify IT ownership across hardware, software, licenses, backups, support, and strategy. Secure access is also critical. When someone cannot sign in, open a file, or reach the right application, it becomes a customer service problem. Role-based permissions, version control, secure login, and direct local support help keep teams productive without loosening security. Cloud planning should also connect to growth. Hiring, new locations, budgeting cycles, compliance needs, and application roadmaps all shape what should move to the cloud, what should stay in place, and what needs security work first. Risk management is another key piece. Cloud decisions affect downtime exposure, permissions, recovery time, audit preparation, backups, endpoint protection, and vendor follow-up. The practical first steps are clear. Map where work gets stuck, review applications and licenses before buying, define security early, and assign real ownership. Better cloud decisions show up in everyday moments. Faster access, clearer file ownership, stronger security, better IT planning, and fewer interruptions. Read the full article to learn how to make cloud decisions more practical for your business, and add this to your Spotify playlist.